Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we take the hassle out of your shopping decisions. Today, we're pitting two robo-cleaning titans against each other. On the left side, we've got the Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum, and on the right side, we have the Tikom robot vacuum and mop. Let's see which one of these mechanical minions deserves to clean up your mess and your wallet. First up, let's talk about the price. The Loorow will set you back a cool $599. That's like buying a small island in some parts of the world. Meanwhile, the Tikom comes in at a more wallet-friendly $399. That's $200 less, or, as I like to call it, a weekend getaway, money saved. So if you're already sobbing into your empty wallet, Tikom's got your back. Now, the Loorow boasts 60 days of hands-free cleaning. That's right, folks, 2 whole months without touching that dustbin. It's like the robot knows you're lazy and just wants to help. On the other hand, Tikom doesn't come with a self-emptying dock. So if you're one of those people who still gets up to change TV channels manually, Tikom might suit you just fine. Reviewers highlight Loorow's convenience in this aspect, while Tikom's simplicity also has its fans. Both of these bad boys come with LiDAR navigation. The Loorow uses PresaSense LiDAR to create accurate maps of your home, while Tikom's 360 degrees LiDAR can store up to 5 maps. That's right, F5E, perfect for those of you living in Hogwarts with all those floors. But let's be real. Unless your house has secret passageways, both of these will get the job done. Reviewers appreciate both products' navigation capabilities, with a slight edge to Tikom for multi-floor homes. Let's talk about suction power. The Loorow brings a whopping 4,500 pascals to the table. It's like a black hole for dirt. Meanwhile, Tikom offers 3,000 pascals, which is still pretty strong. If your house is like a pet hair factory, Loorow could be your new best friend. But if you're living a more modest, less hairy lifestyle, Tikom's got enough power to keep things tidy. Reviewers note Loorow's superior suction for heavy-duty cleaning, while Tikom is praised for its sufficient and quiet operation. Battery life is crucial. Loorow gives you 120 minutes of runtime, which is great if your house is the size of a football field. Tikom, however, offers an impressive 150 minutes. That's like running a marathon. Plus, Tikom will recharge and resume cleaning. So if you're the type who forgets to charge your phone, Tikom's got you covered with its resume cleaning function. Reviewers appreciate Tikom's longer battery life and its efficient cleaning cycles. Both robots let you customize your cleaning via an app and work with Alexa and Google Assistant. But Tikom shines with its 14 no-go zones and 20 virtual walls. It's like setting up a robot bouncer for your rooms. Loorow offers customization too, but Tikom's got more zones than a nightclub. Reviewers love the customization options on both, but give Tikom the edge for its extensive control features. With Loorow, you get a self-emptying station, cleaning brush, electric control water tank, and a bunch of other goodies. Tikom also comes with a solid lineup of extras, including a 2-in-1 dustbin and water tank, spare brushes, and a 12-month warranty. Both are like the Swiss Army knives of robot vacuums, but Tikom's extras seem a bit more practical. Reviewers appreciate the practicality of Tikom's accessories, while Loorow's self-emptying feature is a big hit. Summarizing the reviews, the Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum is highly praised for its powerful suction, hands-free convenience, and advanced navigation, making it a great choice for households with heavy cleaning needs. On the other hand, the Tikom robot vacuum and mop is lauded for its affordability, longer battery life, and excellent customization options, appealing to those who value practicality and efficiency. So there you have it, folks. The Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum and the Tikom robot vacuum and mop. Both have their strengths. But which one will you invite into your home to do your dirty work? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart buying advice. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.